Good morning guys, today is another exciting day because today we get to show you the all-new Kia K8, or should I say all-new next generation Kia Cadenza. So let's go check it out. So what am I driving? Well, not my Hyundai Palisade. I'm actually driving 2022 Genesis GV70, which we're gonna review right after showing you the K8. And let me just get the important things out of the way because I think we'll be only given 15 minutes with the car, and I think there's gonna be lots of journeys there. Okay, the name first. Kia K8 used to be called K7 here in Korea and Cadenza in North America. And now they want to change it to Kia K8. And I have to ask why. Kia says they wanted to take K7 and take it beyond its class. And if you take the number 8 and turn it to the side, it becomes the infinity. And that's what Kia wants to do with K8. And it will be the first front-wheel driven sedan which will feature all-wheel drive system for the first time for Kia and for Hyundai as well. And Kia K8 will be sold with 3 different engine choices: 2.5 liter gasoline engines, 3.5 liter V6 and 3.5 liter LPI. And starting price, direct conversion, $29K US for the 2.5 liter gasoline engine, $32K US for the 3.5 liter V6. And it will be the first car to wear Kia's new logo, so let's go check it out now. Okay guys, we're inside now. We actually have 4 different Kia K8s, and why don't we just start looking at this one. And guys, do let me know your first impression in the comment section. And to me, it looks a bit larger compared to K7s. And looking at the car from the front, we can definitely notice the new Kia emblem. I think it looks alright. So guys, do let me know what do you think about it in the comment section. We also have a frameless bumper and the grille. So there's actually no barrier between them. This actually, Kia says all the patterns are inspired by diamonds. And this is also DRL, actually placed right on the bumper itself. Sequential turn signal. This also works as the DRL daytime running lamp. Also have one more diamond pattern on the grille itself. Very interesting design. We also have air curtains on the side, large opening on the bottom, and that's actually radar sensor for the adaptive cruise control. So looks very unique and large, and to me looks like a large whale from the front. Let me also show you the engine room. Like I told you, it will come as a front-wheel drive, and you can also get all-wheel drive system as an option. And direct conversion, Kia will charge you about $2,000 US for the all-wheel drive system. And this show car, it's a silver one, different one, has a 3.5 liter V6 making about 300 horsepower, made it to 8-speed automatic, and we hope to show you how it drives soon in the future. So silver one looks pretty good too. And if you guys are enjoying this, please like this video and subscribe so we can grow this channel together and have more fun. And looking at the car from the side, you can really see the K8 or Kia Cadenza looks a bit larger even compared to Hyundai Granza. It's sibling from Hyundai. And side mirrors are bolted on the side. Small windows near the A-pillar to give you better visibility, and shark's fins garnish near the C-pillar. And just like Kia EV6, we also have a line that starts on the bottom. It's carried all the way to the tail lamp. Okay, let me also show you the second row seats. You guys know I'm about 6'2". There's good amount of leg room, and headroom is decent as well. And Kia actually placed this coat hanger back here behind the headrest. I think that's a very interesting design. We also have a window that comes down, not all the way, but almost all the way. And we have a manual sunshade for the side, handle up here, and 3-stage heated and ventilation seats even for the second row passengers. Meridian, 14-speaker Meridian sound system for the first time in Kia. Some climate control here, 2 air vents, 2 fast USB charging ports. And we also have a good armrest with few media controls, 2 pop-up type cup holders, walk-in device, and we also have a large sunroof on the top. So yeah, it's quite comfortable place to be back here. From the driver's seat, there's a head-up display on the top and two 12.3 curved screens for the gauge cluster and infotainment screens. And we also have a two-tone steering wheel, new Kia logo, and like I told you, 14-speaker Meridian for the first time for Kia, and lots of good materials, nice materials used up to here. On the bottom there's some plastics, but where you touch the most, they used lots of good materials. We also have dial type gear selector right here, and this whole panel is a bit lifted toward yourself for easier access. And these wood trims actually even have diamond patterns on them. And looking at the car from the rear, you can really notice that it has a very short trunk deck. It almost reminds me of a short trunk deck from K5. Yes, sports coupe like rear design as well, but trunk is actually very nice. You have to press here. It's quite large. Here, you see it. Also have a fixer flat kit, and there's a room for spare tires. So if you guys get this Kia Cadenza or Kia K8 in North America, I think they're gonna give you a spare tire. But unfortunately, the second row does not fold. They only give you a ski through. And we have a dual exhaust on the bottom, but it's actually fake. It's located on the bottom. And it says Kia K8, and except for this very large and unique looking LED tail lamp, the rear design is very cleanly done. So that was our quick look on the all-new Kia K8 or Cadenza. I know Kia Cadenza and Hyundai Azera has been discontinued in North America, but really hope you guys get this all-new K8 in North America soon again. And we're gonna have a test drive next Monday, so stay tuned for that as well. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll be back with much more. So if you love cars and car reviews, please do support us by subscribing to our channel, and also hit that bell notification so you don't miss out in the future. Okay, now we're gonna go test drive this Genesis GV70. See you guys. And like I told you, Kia used the 14-speaker Meridian system for the first time, and they have placed this car. The sound is not coming from these speakers, it's actually coming from the car. And sounds pretty nice. And if you see, there's also a moon lamp here on the pattern as well, right here and right here. So it's got lots of moon lamp too. Sounds good.
Pump the beat through.